Hello and welcome to another Unisource Medicare educational video. My name is Alex Moriarty and I've been an agent with Unisource since 2016. I'm here today with Bob Nelson, our VP of Medicare Solutions, and today's topic covers making the transition from your current coverage into Medicare over your 65th birthday.
Hello. Thank you very much for being here. The first step is to get Medicare Parts A and B. In order to sign up for any additional coverage like a Medicare supplement or a Medicare Advantage plan, you need to have Medicare Parts A and B first. And you can do that at a local Social Security office or going online to the Social Security website, which is www.ssa.gov.
After you've enrolled in Parts A and B, then you can contact one of our agents and set up an appointment. The time to do that is called your initial enrollment period. I can put a title there. The 7-month window begins 3 months prior to the month of your 65th birthday, includes that month, and then 3 months after. So for example, if your birthday was on June 17th, your Medicare would begin June 1st, and we can submit an application for your plan as early as March 1st. If you were to enroll after the first of your birth month, so anytime from June through September, then your effective date would be the first of the month following your application. It's important to know that Medicare Advantage and supplement plans do not backdate coverage. So if you want a plan to be effective April 1st, you need to get it in before March 1st.
So if you want to stay on your employer group coverage, you're not required to sign up for Part B initially when you turn 65. We have a retiring after turning 65 video for more information on this, and we suggest that you take a look at that. We always recommend working with an independent agent because there's no cost to doing that, and independent agents are trained professionals familiar with a range of solutions, and they can make sure that the solution, like a Medicare Advantage or supplement or prescription drug plan, is suitable for an individual's particular needs. So, the market, there's a lot of options out there in the marketplace, so approaching this can be a daunting task. A licensed agent that's independent can help make that task a lot easier and take a lot of the pressure off of you.
So if you have any additional questions about making the transition into Medicare, we encourage you to reach out to one of our many qualified agents who'd be happy to assist you. Check out our other videos for more information about topics such as Bob mentioned, if you're retiring after 65, we have a separate video on that. Once again, we are Bob and Alex from Unisource, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.